Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing the cash stuffing for the month of May. And we have a budget of 1,135. And so, yeah, we shall begin. We are going to count very quickly our money just to make sure we have the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then the last 100 pounds doesn't want to come out of the wallet. Bear with me. All right, so this is 1,020, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 1,000, and I have the 35 pounds here. Okay, so wallet is empty, so let's put it away. Right. Okay, so we are going to start with what is the first one here? So let's do this one, weekly binder. Okay, so for my weekly binder, excuse me, my voice, I have done my cash stuffing, not cash stuffing, my groceries yesterday actually. So I have done the week one and I spent about 80 quid. So I've got 20 pounds left. So we are going to start from week 2. Okay, so week 2 we are doing 100, and that's for 4 people. Okay, and 3 adults and 1 teenager. So yeah, that's my allocated budget for the family. So week 3, another 100. Week 4 we have 100. Okay, takeaway, how much is takeaway? 60 pounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my takeaway money didn't last month. It was gone after first week. So yeah, we didn't do well last week with takeaway. So yeah, hopefully this month will be good. Toiletries, how much is toiletries? 50 pounds. 20, 40, 50. God, it's hard to open, isn't it? Finding it hard to open it. Right, so cat food is 45. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. 45, and then back to bank there is some money there that needs to go to the bank. So that is our weekly binder. Okay, let's put it this way now. We've done that. So black one is our car binder. Okay, let's do it that way so it doesn't, oh no, it's still okay that way. Okay, so car binder, road tax, we are doing road tax. Where are you? Road tax 15. Oh no, where is my fiver? 15 pounds. Do I have fiver? Yes, I do. So that is, I'm going to put 20. Car insurance, we have 35. So 35, let's see if we've got a fiver. I can see a fiver, so we're going to have a change of 15 and that. Fuel, we have allocated 80 pounds for petrol. So 50, 20, 30, so that's 80 pounds. I still have 40 left over from last month's, because last month I've only spent 40 quid for petrol, so I have leftover money there. Maintenance, do I have maintenance? No, I didn't budget for maintenance, but we could do a tenner. Okay, let's do a 10. If I get short, I get short, but otherwise, let me see. Okay, so maybe we could do less challenges for this week. So we could do, I forgot to do maintenance. I forgot to put it in my budget. Anyway, so that is our car binder. And we are doing the next one, which is this, which is the birthday binder. Okay, this is very consistent amount. So birthday, we are doing 20 each and tenner for the cake. So for birthday cake, 10. Let's see if we can make use of the 50. So 10. I've got 40 pounds. I'm going to put 50. And then daughter's gift, we have, let's see, I need 30 pounds out of it, so we can make use of the 50. There we go. And son, we have 20. So again, we'll take 30 out of here, and we're going to put 50. Okay, by the way, we are going to do the coloring after the video, because otherwise the video will take a long time. Happy's gift is also 20. He just had his birthday, so I don't have much money in there, so we'll put 20. And my gift is also 20. Okay, let's put 20 there. Okay, that's our birthday binder. And what is this one? This one is a challenge binder. This is a Christmas binder, and we will do that last. So for now, I think we are going to do the high priority binder. Okay, hold on a second. Let me just put this away. The one that we've done, let's put it back there, so we've got a bit more space. This one is the one that we're gonna do. All right, so high priority binder. Okay, high priority one, we have emergency fund of 10. So 10 for emergency. Home insurance. Oh, good news. Home insurance, I paid 266. Okay, because it's due this month. So what I have saved 480. Hold on, let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Why 370? Am I counting it wrong? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 370. Why is that? Anyway, so we have, oh, I haven't finished it. So far we have saved 370, and I have renewed my home insurance for 266. So 266 will come out of this one, and we will reallocate it to back to bank. Okay, have I given myself 20 already? Home insurance 30. I don't think I have put 30 yet, so I'm going to put 30 for the car insurance this month. Okay, there we go. So we have saved quite a bit, so we can reallocate the money. So glasses is 20. I have spent a bit of this as well, because my daughter's eye test was due, and I've spent 80 pounds. So 80 pounds out of this will go back to bank. But for today, we are allocating 20 pounds. So let me use this. and go back 30. Okay. Dentist, we have 20, that one. Then a bit of savings for the bank. We have a fiver, so I'll put 10. So my allocated was only £5. Another bank, which is tenner. Right, there we go. So that's our high priority binder. And then done. High priority. Done that. Okay, shall we do Christmas binder, white one, because it's white Christmas I'm thinking about, so that's why it's white. So our Christmas binder, festive fees for Christmas, we are doing 20 each. Okay, so for the food and drinks, we are doing 20. So let's make use of that. So we have much, 20, 30. I'm taking 30 out, putting 50. My presents will be 20. So let's take 30 out. We'll put 50 in. Son's present will be, okay, I think we have quite a bit of 20s now, so we can use this. So 20. Who is this one? KH. No, this is my daughter. This is my son. Okay, so I'll take 30 out of here, and we'll put 50. And hubby's present, let's have a look. If we can take 30, we'll put 50. So it's less bulky for the binder. Christmas decorations, did we? Christmas decorations, I have no budget, but later if we have enough money, then we can go for that. Okay, and lastly, okay, challenge binder. This is our challenge binder. So I'm not sure whether I've told you this, but challenge 1 is complete. We have saved £100 for this one, I guess. Okay, wait, let me see. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so challenge 1 is complete. Challenge 2 is for the Halloween. I think I've also finished this one. Total of 120. 120, 10, 20, 30, 50, 70, 90, 100, 120. And we are starting with challenge 3, which is this one. So challenge 3 is 5, but we can put 10, I guess. 10. There we go. And challenge 4, we haven't started. So we're still, we've just recently started. I'm dreaming of cupcakes. So yeah, one challenge at a time. That's my rule, because I can't be doing too many challenges. And so we have, how many challenges have we completed so far? Challenge 1 and challenge 2, isn't it? So we have to reallocate those once we've finished all of the challenges in this binder. Okay, and the last 2 that we need to do are the acrylic binders. But first we are going to do my son's class of 2028 binder. So this one is how much is it? 10 per envelope. So 10 for suit and style, dinner venue 10, cup and gown 10, keepsakes 10. That's it. That's the class of 2028 acrylic binder. And lastly, we are going to do the Sweet 18 one. So Sweet 18 will be, I think, tenner for each. So Masquerade Magic, we're putting 20, 10 out. Secret Garden. Oh no, Mimi, get out of the table, my lovely. Just doing, that's my little cat. Secret Garden, we are also putting 10, but let's take 10 out of it. Grand Reveal, is 10. Invitations 10. Pink Princess Wardrobe is 10. Mass Delights is 10. Piece of Cake is 10. And Keepsakes of the Night 10. Final Touch is 10. Right, so we have 15 left over. So what we can do with that is, because we didn't do the Christmas decorations, okay, let's do Christmas decorations for, shall we do Fiverr? So we will do 10 in the Christmas decorations. Let me do it there. 10 for Christmas decorations, and then I'm gonna add, for the challenges, I'm gonna add another 5 for the cupcakes. So another 5 for the cupcakes. Okay, so we have done 15 for that challenge. Okay, and so that is the end of our budget for this month. And I would like to thank all my subscribers. I know I haven't been posting videos on YouTube and Instagram. It's been a hectic week for me, but I'll try to do more videos once I am free with what I'm currently doing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.